Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're another waterproof deck. This is in San Francisco. This was a tile deck that was leaking. We had to completely re-subfloor it. We've got a drain in the corner over here, and we got to open up the stucco perimeter all the way around. We also had a leak in the wall system here. Water was coming down this corner. This was never detailed properly. Sorry for the blower in the background. And I'm going to show you something else that's been causing a problem here. Whoever put this roofing in, they used a solid piece of flashing here, and this is supposed to be stepped flashing that goes on the outside or on the top of each shingle on the way down. So it's definitely caused a problem here with water working its way under the shingles, and hence you have a water problem that's been getting into the house here. So a lot of things wrong with this deck that weren't done properly. Getting them all remedied, and we'll keep you posted as we go through this. The guys are in the process of gluing down the deck. It's somewhat of a meticulous process. Everything's got to get dry fitted and then carefully laid out and placed in order to get the Duradek membrane lined up properly. Okay, so this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We'll keep you posted. Thank you.